We'd end our adventure here, running on the black sand beach. This was our final day of our 5-day ride across southern Iceland with the Eldhestar. The morning started like every other, tacking up our Icelandic horses one last time. We rode straight from the Eldhestar property, heading toward the coast and the open sea. Just like in the other days of our ride, we crossed clear streams on our way. Water so pure you could see the black sand beneath the surface. We walked and tolted along quiet paths, passing fields and small farms as the air grew saltier the closer we came to the ocean. Every so often, the path opened enough for a canter, or horses eager and full of energy as if they knew it was our last day riding with them. We stopped for a short grass break overlooking a wide glacial river, the kind that seems to stretch forever across Iceland's plains. Riding through open fields, other Icelandic horses lifted their heads and came over to say hello. We tolted on through beautiful scenery, then stopped again so the horses could drink from the river. Later, we paused for lunch, gave the horses another rest, and switched mounts for the final stretch. As we ate, another riding group passed by, the first we'd seen throughout our 70-mile journey to Thorsmork and back. After lunch, the path grew muddy and waterlogged through a marshy section, but our sure-footed Icelandic horses never missed a step. Crossing one last glacial river, we reached dry land again and tolted along a black gravel road that led us toward the sea. Another quick grass break, and then the sand dunes.
And water again.
We rode through them, and suddenly the ocean opened before us. The black sand beach glimmering beneath a bright Icelandic sun. It was stunning.
Oh, the water's such a nice color today.
Yes. Nou, het is wel een beetje blauw hoor.
From there, we alternated between walking, tolting, and cantering along the shoreline. The rhythm of hoofbeats mixed with the crash of waves, a perfect ending to our almost week-long ride. We had the beach almost entirely to ourselves. When we reached the end of the beach, we turned inland, the blue water and black sand stretching behind us. And then sadly, we loaded the horses into the trailer for the trip back to Eldhestar. That was the end of our 5-day ride across Iceland. 70 miles of rivers, lava fields, glaciers, and black sand beaches. If you haven't already, be sure to watch the other videos in this playlist that follow our full journey from Reykjavík to Thorsmork and all the way back to the North Atlantic Ocean. Thanks for watching.